Hey everyone, welcome back to the Node.js series. In the last video, we handled get and post request and work with form submission. Today, we are going to introduce Express.js, a popular framework for building web application with Node.js. I'll show you how Express makes routing and middleware much easier. Let's get started. Before we dive into code, let's install Express.js by running npm install express. Once it is installed, it will be saved in node modules and also will show in our package.json. Now we can start using Express in our project to simplify routing and handle HTTP requests. So first let's create an Express server. So I'm creating a file express server.js. I'll take our Express by writing required Express, and I will take a variable called app where Express is running. Let's define a route, get route. So this is an home route where I will return an HTML that will be by returning an tag. Welcome to the home page, closing tag. I'll create another endpoint like about, welcome to the about page. Then I will create a listen where my server will be running. So let's run this. Server.js. So it's running in local 3000. Let's see if it's running okay. So welcome to the home page. When I'm route/about, it will run welcome to the about page. So this way I can name browse by Express.js. Now let's introduce to middleware. Middleware is code that runs between the request and response. Is useful for tasks like logging, authentication, and parsing request data. For creating a middleware, let's use app.use where I'm passing request, response, and next, and I will console log the request I'm getting, request made to. So let's take my variable request.url, and then I'll go to next. Let's test middleware by making request to our routes. So let's rerun, opening it. So I can see the request made to request.url. Let's make sure we use backwards in here and in here. That makes it to take an variable. So let's rerun it. So when I'm calling an API, is give me the route names, and for this the home one. So as you can see, the middleware logs every request to the console before it reaches to the route handler. And that's it. You have learned how to use Express.js for routing and middleware, making your Node.js server cleaner and more scalable. In the next video, we'll look at how to set up a database with Node.js. So stay tuned and subscribe.